The Holocaust. Adolf Hitler became Germany's leader in 1933. His political party, the Nazi Party, took control of the country. They wanted complete control of Germany and Europe. They destroyed the opposition parties in Germany and started to invade other countries. The Nazis believed that some people in society were inferior. They wanted to create a superior, pure German race. They hated many groups, including gypsies, communists, homosexuals, and the disabled. But they particularly hated Jews, so when the Nazis took power, they created laws against them. Soon, Jewish people couldn't do certain jobs, and they couldn't own a business. They had to wear a yellow star, so people knew they were Jews. The Nazis forced them to leave their houses and lived in poor areas of the cities called ghettos. Hitler wanted to eliminate the Jews and the other minority groups completely. He sent them to concentration camps. The conditions in the camps were terrible. The people had to work very hard. It was cold and they had very little food. Many died of cold and hunger. But Hitler's plan of destruction was not complete. The Nazis started to kill people in the concentration camps. They used gas chambers. About 11 million people died in the concentration camps. 6 million were Jews. This was called the Holocaust.